Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how to set a current site to a hub site. A hub site is actually a site that you can actually connect different sites together. You will have the same navigation, and let's see how we do it. So first of all, you need to be admin of the SharePoint. So we will go to the 9 dots. Let's go to the admin and we will choose the SharePoint admin. Let's scroll down and here we are, SharePoint. So under sites we have active sites. Now you can create here a new site and you can choose if it's communication or team site. In this case I have already created. I have two sites called HR. So I have one which is called HR main and the other the region. So first of all, I will mark the HR main, and from the top I'll choose hub and register hub. Register as hub site. It will ask me the name and also if I want to assign people associated. In this case I will not do anything, just save. If you notice here under hub, this HR main is now a hub site. Now let's see how it was before. So this is how it was before. This is another site, a communication site, but we see here some navigation, but it doesn't look like a hub site. Now let's go to the site after it was created a hub site. Now what we see here is actually, besides this navigation here, we have this navigation where any site which is connected to this will see. This navigation is only locally, but this navigation is for everyone. So I'll click on add link, and for instance I will choose a label. Let's say the main topic is HR global, and I will add another link which will be this time a link. Let's just copy this to here and let's call this HR link, and I'll promote it to be a sublink. In this case, if you notice, what's going to happen is, you see underneath HR Global I have a sub. In this case it's also shown as a mega menu, but it can be changed. So in addition, so this is the navigation for the hub, but now I would like to connect this hub site to another regular site. So let's see, this is the regional, and I will connect to it, and currently it's not connected, it's just, but if I go to the gear icon and choose site information, I can now choose to associate it to the HR main. Once I do this, I will receive now the navigation from the hub site. So this is associated site, and the hub site is actually now connected to this. Anything I do from the hub site will affect this site. Even if I change the site design, it will also change. So I'll go back to the hub site, okay, and I will show you that there's a new setting that is talking about, see, hub site settings. So here I can upload an icon, okay. I can also give a name. I can decide if I want to hide this HR. So for instance, now we see it. I will take it away, and let's just press save. So now let's refresh. Let's go again. Outside and HR main. It should have, yeah, okay. Should have hidden it, and it should have added an logo. Okay, it's added the logo, and no longer I see the name. Now if we go to the site that is associated to this, let's go back, let's close what's not needed. Okay, I'll refresh, and you see the logo and the navigation is here. Okay, now what else? So in this case, actually what we can do, if I'm in the main and I don't want to see two navigations, because I have this one and I have this one, so actually I can go to the site information, sorry, I can go to the change the look, and I can go to the header, and I can remove the site title so I don't see this, and if I go also to navigation, I can hide the navigation. Oh, in this case I can hide this, you see, and see, this is how it was before. I can hide this, and now I have only one navigation for the hub site. If I want to bring it back, I can go to the navigation, activate it, and this is it. I wanted to show you that in the hub settings it's possible to require approval, and that is sometimes needed. It actually creates a workflow in the background where you can need to get approval to associate it. So this is in short how to set a site to be a hub site, and also how to associate it. Now if you want to undo that, what you can do is actually I can go to the region site which is associated. I can go to the site information and just change it back to no association, and now we will see this is going to disappear. I can also go to the admin center and set this hub site to not be a hub site. So I can go to the hub and unregister. It will ask me, are you sure? Now I removed it. Now everything is back to normal. So you see that even if you do something, you can undo it, and it's not too bad. Okay, so if you like my channel, subscribe, and see you in the next training. Goodbye.